How to fix the Steam Tools No Licenses error when launching, downloading, or updating games in Steam. Let's get started. First, open Steam and click Steam, Settings, Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache, then select Confirm. Steam will restart. Sign in again and try downloading or launching the game. If the problem is still there, open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, and temporarily turn real-time protection off. Now open your browser and download Cloudflare WARP from 1.1.1.1. Install it, launch it, and click Connect. Next, open the Start menu, search for PowerShell, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Copy the first PowerShell command from the pinned comment, paste it into PowerShell, and press Enter. When it finishes, restart Steam and check if the error is fixed. If you're still getting the No Licenses error, open PowerShell as Administrator again. Copy the second command from the pinned comment, paste it into PowerShell, and press Enter. After that, copy the third command, paste it into PowerShell, and press Enter. Once the commands finish, restart Steam and try launching or downloading the game again. The Steam Tools No Licenses error should now be resolved. That's it for this video. If it helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming